everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Shannon. Today we are excited to showcase two stunning lakefront properties in the Hendersonville and Gallatin, Tennessee area.
Lakefront living offers incredible views, serene environments, and a lifestyle that's just hard to beat. So let's dive right in.
First up, we're at 103 Liberty Cove in Hendersonville. This luxurious lakefront home is on the highly sought after Indian Lake Peninsula in the Hidden Point community.
This beautiful home features 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 5,400 square feet of living space. It's perfect for families or those who love to entertain.
Inside, you'll find an open concept living area with large windows that let in plenty of natural light and offers stunning views of Old Hickory Lake. The spacious kitchen is perfect for any home chef, and the home features 4.5-inch wood plantation shutters throughout.
This immaculate home features a desirable floor plan perfect for entertaining guests. It includes an office, bonus room, exercise room, underground storm shelter, and an in-law suite equipped with a full kitchen, second master bedroom, and bath.
The outdoor space is equally impressive. Relax on the covered deck or patio overlooking the lake and enjoy the convenience of your own boat slip and cover dock with a new Duratec 7,000-pound boat lift.
Enjoy all the benefits of lake life in a family-friendly community with neighborhood pickleball, basketball, and tennis courts, as well as a playground for the kids. Plus, it's just a quick boat ride to several local marinas.
Next, we are at 884 Fairington Way in Gallatin. This elegant property offers a perfect blend of luxury and comfort.
This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 4,800 square feet of living space. It's designed for those who appreciate fine living.
The interior boasts high ceilings, natural travertine floors, and a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances. The open floor plan creates a seamless flow between the living spaces, making it perfect for entertaining.
The master suite offers a peaceful retreat with a luxurious bathroom.
The outdoor space includes an expansive deck. It's the perfect spot to enjoy the beauty of the lake and golf course.
This home also features a 4-car garage, plus a golf cart garage, an elevator, a reinforced storm shelter room, and a secret room. There's even an in-law suite on the basement level with a full kitchen and bathroom.
There you have it. Two incredible lakefront properties in Hendersonville and Gallatin, Tennessee.
Both of these homes offer a unique blend of luxury, comfort, and stunning lake views.
If you're interested in learning more about these properties or scheduling a private tour, feel free to reach out to us.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more property tours and real estate tips.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.